Hello and welcome to this Excel tips video. I am Sumit Bansal, and in this video I'm going to show you how to repeat row and column headings on each page in Excel. This could be useful when you're printing your reports and you want the headers to appear on each page. So here I have this daily sales data for 2019 and it spans across multiple pages. So now if I try and print this, see what happens. I press Ctrl P and this opens the print preview, and you can see on the first page, and there are total 8 pages. On the first page I see the headers, but if I go to the second page I do not see those headers. So if I have this page, then I have no way to know what this data is, and what I want to do is repeat those headers on each page. So let me go back, and to do this I would click on the page layout tab here, and then in page setup group I have this small dialog box launcher. So I click on this dialog launcher and this opens the page setup dialog box. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Alt PSP, and again it opens the same page setup dialog box. And here click on the sheet tab and you have this option rows to repeat at the top. And here you can select the rows that you want to repeat. So in my case I want to select these two rows because I want these to appear on each page. In case you only want the date and sales to appear on each page, then you can simply select this one. Let me select these two for this example, and now simply click OK, and that's it. Now if I again press Ctrl P, see I'm on page 1, and now if I go to the next page I see that these are repeated on each page now. So all the pages have the same headers. Similarly, in this case I have used row headers, but similarly you can also do this for column headers. So you have reports where it spans across multiple columns and you want to repeat those column headers, then again simply go to page setup dialog box, and here in the sheet tab you have the option of columns to repeat at the left, and you can specify the columns here. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Also, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I come up with a new Excel tips video. Thank you and have a nice day.